Come on, YouTube, Bowman Suit here. Come back another box break. 09 Gridiron gear. Empty box. Good luck. Got a Javon Ringer, number to 250. Performers. I'm not going to show any of those because this will take forever. Got a Quinn Johnson rookie for the Packers, number to 999. Hunter Cantwell for the Panthers, number to 250, rookie card. Got a redemption I'll look at in just a second here. We'll save that redemption for last. You can see it in front of me. We won't move it. Got a Maurice Jones-Drew, number 250 for the Jags, X's. Got a Underwood rookie card, number to 999 for the Jags. All base. Yep, just deco, make sure it wasn't a redemption. Got a Wes Welker gold, number to 100, I believe. Yeah, 71 of 100. Thomas Jones, player timeline, number 250 for the Jets. Everett Brown for the Panthers, number to 999. I got a hit in here. Slow roll for you guys. Sort of peeked at it. That's okay. I don't know if you guys saw it or not. For the Lions, nice 3-color patch football. The Lions of Derek Williams. That is numbered 38 of 50, and that patch is exploding out of there. Very nice looking. You can see the threads kind of busting out of that. Pretty sick. Alright, well, actually looking for one more hit. Really, only 3, I think, out of the Gridiron gear. Derek McBath, rookie for the Broncos, number to 999. Got a nope. Is that a hit? Nope. Never mind. Thought it was a hit. We're gonna hide it. Hines Ward, Liddell White. Make sure I didn't peek at it, but it wasn't a hit. I don't like when I peek at them, but sometimes you have to if you want to see which way it goes. Brandon Gibson, number to 100 for the Eagles, number 40 of 100, X's, rookie card. 1, 2, 4 packs left. 4 packs left. There's a hit in there, so we'll save that one. Put it right there. We'll crack these last 3 because I think they're going to be dead. Patrick Chung, rookie card for the Pats, number to 250. Hakeem Nicks, Next Generation, number to 250 for the G-Men. Last pack besides the 2 hits that sit in front of us. And it's going to be all base. Alright, I'm going to slow roll this bad boy. I think it goes this way. Good luck. Peyton Manning. I pulled those a couple times. Peyton Manning dual. That would be numbered to 250 for the Colts. Very nice jersey card. Peyton Manning. That's number 77 of 250. And then we'll see what our redemption is here. Get the Alright, it is Next Generation Jersey Signatures. Next Generation Jersey Signatures number 25. Next Generation. I think it's going to be Glenn Coffey. Number 25 looks like it's Glenn Coffey. I don't know why he would be a redemption, but I'll double check, but I think that's what it is. Next Generation Jersey Signature, Next Generation number 25, 25 states Glenn Coffey. So there you go. So, alright, that's the Gridiron gear. Come back with some more. Bowman Suit out.